Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Robiatul Adawiyah, NIM 2019 111 2013. Task 1. Social Arithmetic. Social arithmetic is an application of the basic of mathematical calculation that exists everyday social life. Example, trading activities, saving a bank, etc. To understand social arithmetic, previously must understand material about algebra, operation to conversion, and percentage so that it will make it easier to understand this material. I here take two examples of the formula of social arithmetic, that is profit and loss. 1. Profit is an if the selling price of the greater than the purchase price. Formulate as follows. Profit equals selling price minus purchase price. If looking for the percentage of profit equals profit divided by purchase price times 100%. Then loss is an if the selling price of the low than the purchase price. Formulate as follows. Loss equals purchase price minus selling price. If looking for the percentage of loss equals loss divided by purchase price times 100%. Example, misal bought 2 types of sugar, 150 kg of the first type at a price of 800 rupiah per kilogram, and 50 kg of the second type at a price of 6,000 rupiah per kilogram. Then two types of sugar were then mixed and sold at a 9,000 rupiah per kilogram. What was the amount of profit Michelle earned? What was the percentage of Michelle profit? Answer. Buy sugar 150 kg for 8,000 rupiah per kilogram, and sugar 50 kg for 6,000 rupiah per kilogram. Selling sugar 9,000 rupiah per kilogram. What is the amount of profit? Purchase price equals quantity 150 times 8,000 rupiah plus 50 times 6,000 rupiah equals quantity 1.200.000 rupiah plus 300.000 rupiah equals 1.500.000 rupiah. Selling price equals quantity 2,000 times 9,000 rupiah equals 1.800.000 rupiah. Profit equals selling price minus purchase price equals 1.800.000 rupiah minus 1.500.000 rupiah equals 300.000 rupiah. percentage of profit equals profit divided by purchase price times 100% equals 300.000 rupiah divided by 1.500.000 rupiah times 100% equals 20%. Example 2. Bima booked a motorcycle for 7.500.000 rupiah. If Bima resells the motorcycle and loses 270.000 rupiah, how much is the selling price? What was the percentage of Bima loss? Answer: purchase price 7.500.000 rupiah, loss 7.200.000 rupiah. What is the selling price of the motorcycle? Selling price equals purchase price minus loss equals 7.500.000 rupiah minus 270.000 rupiah equals 7.230.000 rupiah. If looking for the percentage of loss equals loss divided by purchase price times 100% equals 270.000 rupiah divided by 7.230.000 rupiah times 100% equals 3,7%. Task 2. Oval. Oval is a closed curve is a loose plane that resembles an egg or ellipse shape. The word oval gives a more precise definition, which can cover one or two axes of symmetry and have 2 or 3 dimensions. Example: this oval shape with only one axis of symmetry resembles the shapes of a chicken egg. This is a picture oval. Task 3. Question. In Mia class at XYZ High School, a counseling teacher conducted a survey of the mathematics and natural science subject most liked by students. The survey results show that out of 15 students, Wendy, Zafran, and Ali like physics lesson. Rio and Feby love math. Alfi, Ibnu, Vira, and Hadi like chemistry. Vinda, Arif, and Danny also like mathematics. The other students like biology lesson. Present data in tables, chart, pie chart, and bar charts, and determine the maximum and minimum data. Answer: 1. Table chart. This is a picture table chart. Lesson type: physics, mathematics, chemistry, and biology. Among student will love physics 3, mathematics 5, chemistry 4, and biology 3. 2. Pie chart. This is a picture pie chart. Physics 20%, mathematics 33%, chemistry 27% and biology 20%. To find the percent in a pie chart following the formula. Large percent psiquis equals frequency psiquis divided by the amount of data times 100% equals 3 divided by 15 times 100% equals 20%. Large percentage mathematics equals frequency mathematics divided by the amount of data times 100% equals 5 divided by 15 times 100% equals 33%. Large percentage chemistry equals frequency chemistry divided by the amount of data times 100% equals 4 divided by 15 times 100% equals 27%. Large percentage biology equals frequency biology divided by the amount of data times 100% equals 3 divided by 15 times 100% equals 20%. 3. Bar chart. This is a picture bar chart. So it can be seen from the bar chart that the maximum data is 5, the minimum data is 3. Thank you and apologies, especially since there was an error in my pronunciation at no. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.